Hey, I'm James.
I'm Joe.
And we are in the jungle. And we're about to go on an adventure to Eco-Chontales. We're going to be sharing a very beautiful adventure, a beautiful place that we go and check out, and to show our
internal journey into the heart.
You're going to get a glimpse into some of the struggles that we've had along the way and how we are moving forward into this new life that we're living from the heart. Come join us. We are headed to go get on our quads. We're gonna have a couple secret stops on the way. When we go on these adventures, we might not know how we're gonna get there, or we might not know where we're going. That's really the exciting part about living a life that allows for the unexpected to arrive. Instead of having fears around the unknown, really embracing it and diving deep into it.
Looking forward to the second journey. So today I'm super pumped, super stoked. That is where we're headed. If you can see the ridge, that's where we're going. I've never been on this journey. We're gonna take the quads out 30 miles in this valley towards that ridge. James is gonna show us some secret locations. We're gonna see some beautiful waterfalls and super spots that I've never seen before. I am super excited for the unknown, the mystery of this journey today. Okay.
All right, bro, you ready for another epic adventure?
For sure, bro.
Alright, first stop, Secret Waterfall. Found this a few months back. It's a little hike off the road, and there's a stunning waterfall. Super hot today on the quads. It's like 32 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna go for a little swim.
Dedicated your whole life, your whole everything that you had to the sport, terrifying in a lot of ways. The loss of identity, you know, because you've been like, oh, I'm Joe the rugby player, and once that's not present anymore, it's like, who am I? For me particularly, I went through a lot of pain after I finished playing. I had a bit of a dark night of the soul. My inner calling had come to a point where it was like, you're done with this now, you know, like the last 6 months of playing was pretty tough on the body, there was a lot of pain. The soul was saying, hey, you gotta change this is enough now, and so that chapter was done. I'm forever grateful for that chapter of life.
And look at where we are now, man. Look at this.
So amazing, so blessed.
Alright, we just stopped at the big river swimming spot. We're gonna have a pineapple. The super pure water that Costa Rica has to offer, there's a big reason why we moved here. Water is life. Did you know you can plant this, top it off, put it in the ground, plant it again?
One of the absolute best organic pineapples. Super juicy. Perfect for this weather, for the sun. Wow, Jamer, what an epic place. Thanks for bringing us here, bro.
We're about another 15-20 minute ride.
Wow, what a being.
All right, so we finally made it to Eco-Chontales. We had an awesome ride. It's taken us a couple hours, but we've taken our time to get here. It's been super hot, super dusty, so we're ready.
Can't wait to get into the water, James.
Let's go, bro. It's really hard to have a plan on how to do something that you've never done before. We base our ideas around our past experiences. You may not be able to stick to it because something came up that was unexpected.
You throw yourself into the deep end of the pool and you see if you can make it up and make it to the side.
So that's what we do. We actually plan in the unexpected now, and when the unexpected happens, it doesn't throw us off our center. Awesome. We are here. It's been a long journey today, hot, dusty, and we're super stoked to share Eco-Chontales with you. Super amazing. Joe and I are going to go to the bottom and we're going to try to swim as close to the base of the falls as we can.
Today we're gonna jump and it is 15 meters high. No, I'm kidding. It's 8 meters high. So we're gonna do it. I feel like fight or flight in the body, like coming up.
All right, this does bring up some fear for me. It's not super high, but it's high enough to get a little nervous. Stepping into the unknown, here we go. All right, I'm gonna jump as soon as Joe gets up here.
Hey guys, I'm having a problem with the drone. The drone won't come up. Joe, I'm gonna try to fly it over to you. Landing. No. Landing. Joe, I'm gonna fly.
The drone's in the water.
Get it!
Joe!
Joe, can you get it? Hey, it's coming up, Joe, grab it! Grab it!
Get it! All right, so I didn't end up jumping. I was saved by the drone. Unfortunately, the drone went swimming instead.
So the journey's over. The drone has decided to leave us, but we're gonna stay optimistic, we're gonna stay positive, and we're gonna get it back, I'm sure.
But we recovered it. And when I say we, I mean Joe and Will, because I didn't jump. We could let it get us down, that the drone took a dive into the river, or we could stay optimistic that it is going to turn back on and be fine and go on another adventure with us. Right, Will?
I'm pretty optimistic for a DJI sponsorship that gets me a new drone.
This isn't the first time we've had a challenging experience with the drone. It's not the first time that it got wet. It was once stuck in a tree for a night
Nice.
or two.
Pouring rain.
Pouring rain.
Like 24-hour rain.
And we're still flying.
Normally, after losing the drone in that way, we could have had two reactions. The first one could have been, fuck no, shit! or it could be like,
Oh,
it's
stairs
all
over
good.
here, sorry.
that the drone will be okay.
Is this a lesson in non-attachment? Possibly. No one is attached to the outcome. Okay, cool. So we're back at Rama Organica. We had an epic adventure today to Eco-Chontales. We had a couple unexpected things show up. We had the opportunity to react in one way or the other.
What I find about that, James, is that we didn't react when we lost one of our passengers, and that passenger was, of course, the drone. He went south and headed straight into the waters. So just that whole sequence was exactly what this journey was about. It was about going into our hearts and not reacting to the unexpected and to the mystery of the universe.
So, the drone is wet. We're gonna put it in some rice, and with some prayers, we're gonna go on another adventure soon and take it with us. So we're wishing everybody
Health in the body, peace in the spirit, and love in the heart. God bless.
Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, hey.